you blue?
Only in color, Michael. Only in color. It seems I might have stumbled upon an acting opportunity.
As a member of the Blue Man Group?
Oh, no, you're thinking of the support group. I made that same mistake myself. They're called the Blue Man Group. But it's funny, if I hadn't sought out a support group, I never would have gotten this gig as an understudy for a performance art group. You know, the universe works in mysterious ways, Michael. You never know where help is going to come from until you look for it.
Why does everybody think that I need help?
Michael, look at you. I mean, you're holding a sledgehammer. Your shirt is oh, I did that.
And Michael realized that he, too, had been too proud.
I need money.
I can't help you.
I know. It did bother me that they did so well without me, but I do have to ask them for help.
And I have to ask for an audition.
You have an audition yet?
Oh, no, I'm not in the group yet. No, I'm afraid I just blew myself.
There's got to be a better way to say that.